Hello YouTube, thank you for watching the video one more time. We're here talking about these RDX wipers. The auto wipers do not work. All right, so this can happen to any Acura that you own or you know of, and I'm gonna show you what's going on. Stay tuned. Remember, like and subscribe. I need you to subscribe. Let's subscribe and like the video. All right, so let's start up the car and make sure we are on auto. How are we gonna make sure that? We gotta go to the off position and we go to the mist. Okay, that's the mist, and then one down is the auto. The wiper should go on one time when we put on auto and come back to park. Now it's on auto, right? Let's go outside and test the sensor. It goes on. We're gonna just put some washer fluid here. As you can see, the wiper's not doing anything. Nothing, and the car is on with the wipers on auto. You're gonna see that. All right, so it's basically it's not working. Car is on and the wipers on auto. All right, so let's just go back and inspect the sensor. Here we're gonna take the cover off right now. As you can see, you gotta just be careful when you pry the covers off. You gotta take this part off the car first. All right, you pry that off, and then you can take that cover off, the rest of the cover off. Now this was on the way. All right, and we're gonna inspect the sensor. So I'm gonna disconnect it, pull this down. Oh, that came off. All right, we're missing the little piece. It's supposed to be a heat sheet in here that contact this with the windshield. Let's replace it and let's test it. As you can see, we got the sensor out. So the way the sensor comes out is just pull this tab and the sensor comes out. I got the little heat sheet that we're supposed to install on. As you can see, it's like little square of silicone to make the full contact. Just gotta make sure there's no air bubbles. You put it in the sensor. Make sure there's no air bubbles. And we install it back in the car. We are back in the vehicle with the new heat sheet and the sensor, and we're just gonna put them on and lock it. Yeah. And connect it. All right, we're gonna try now. See if it works. And it's working, as you can see. As soon as I put water, sensor comes, detect the water, and the wipers work. I'm gonna put the covers on, the big one, then the small cover. After we connect everything and we test it out. Remember to like and subscribe and share the videos. I mean, I'm doing this because I want to get you out of any kind of trouble you'll be facing with Acuras or Honda. So just like the videos, like and subscribe, and let's test it out now. Let's test this one, and thank you for watching. One more time, just to do one last test again. Put on auto, you go to off position, you go to the mist. I'm gonna do that one time, then you go 1 to 10 down, and it's on auto, and it's supposed to activate as soon as it sends any kind of water in the sensor. Yep, so you can see that it's working now. Thank you for watching. Remember, like and subscribe, and share the videos. Have a good day.